Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install the Airbnb app on your Android device. Without any further ado, let's get started. On the bottom of your screen, you'll see several navigation options. Go ahead and tap on Search. This will take you to the search section where you can look up any app you want to download from the Play Store. It's the easiest way to find specific apps without having to scroll through categories. Once you tap on Search, you'll notice a search bar appear at the top of your screen. This is where you'll type in the name of the app you're looking for, tap on this search bar to activate your keyboard, and then type in Airbnb. Make sure to spell it correctly so the right app shows up in your results. The Play Store will start showing you relevant apps as you type. After you've entered the search term, you'll see a list of results appear below. Look for the official Airbnb app in the search results. It should have the recognizable Airbnb logo, which is a simple pink and white design. Tap on the Airbnb app from the list to open its app page. This page will show you more details about the app, including screenshots, reviews, and the download size. Now, on the app page, you'll see a button that says Install. This button is usually located near the top of the screen, right below the app name and icon. Go ahead and tap Install to begin downloading the app to your device. The button will change to show the download progress, and you'll be able to see how much of the app has been downloaded so far. At this point, you'll need to wait until the installation is complete. The time this takes depends on your internet speed and the size of the app, but it typically only takes a minute or two. You can watch the progress bar fill up as the app downloads and installs automatically. During this time, you can stay on this page or navigate away and let it finish in the background. Once the installation is finished, the Install button will change to say Open. This means the Airbnb app is now successfully installed on your device and ready to use. You can tap Open right away to launch the app for the first time and start exploring vacation rentals, booking accommodations, or browsing travel experiences. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Airbnb app on your Android device. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.